In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear WooCommerce cache. This is an essential process for many WooCommerce users, ensuring that your online store runs smoothly and remains up to date with the latest data. Clearing the cache can help resolve issues such as stale data, incorrect pricing, or outdated product availability. So without further ado, let's dive in and go through the steps to clear the WooCommerce cache effectively. First, you'll want to access your WordPress dashboard. Once you're there, look at the sidebar on the left-hand side of your screen and navigate to WooCommerce. Hover over it with your mouse and you'll see a drop-down menu appear. From this menu, select Status. This will open the System Status page, which provides a comprehensive overview of your WooCommerce setup. Here, you'll find various tools designed to help you maintain and troubleshoot your store. Then, look for the Tools tab located at the top of this status page. Once you click on it, you'll see a list of tools that can assist with various tasks related to your WooCommerce site's health and functionality. The first action you'll want to take in this section is to find the option labeled Clear Expired Transients. Transients are a type of cached data stored temporarily to improve website performance. However, expired transients can clutter up your database and potentially cause issues. Clicking Clear Expired Transients will remove these outdated data entries and clean up your space, making your store more efficient. Next, move on to Clear Customer Session Cache. This option is crucial because it relates directly to your shoppers' interactions with your store. By clearing the customer session cache, you ensure that your customers are experiencing the most current shopping environment, free from any saved checkout sessions or cart contents that could lead to confusion or errors in orders. After addressing the customer session cache, it's time to click on Clear Template Cache. This cache stores various template data, which helps your site load quicker by not having to regenerate parts of your page layout each time it's visited. By clearing it, you confirm that any recent updates or changes you've made to the design or structure of your site are visible to customers immediately, without them having to experience any strange display issues or outdated templates. Finally, you'll want to move on to Clear Analytics Cache. WooCommerce Analytics Cache works to store previously computed reports that might not account for the most recent transactions or store activity. By clearing this cache, you enable real-time analytics to reflect all current data, which is indispensable for making informed business decisions based on accurate and up-to-date information. And there you have it. Clearing your WooCommerce cache is that simple, yet it's an impactful practice for keeping your e-commerce site functioning seamlessly and efficiently. By routinely performing these actions, you'll maintain a fresh and fast online shopping experience for your customers. Remember, clearing the cache not only enhances the site's performance, but also ensures the most accurate data is always displayed. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this one.